Hello and welcome to this new video on how to change username in Temu. So if you are new, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. And let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. Click on the search bar and type Temu and press enter in the keyboard. After that, their search result will be shown. So you just have to click on the first search result, that is Temu official website. And when you have logged in and signed up successfully, then this is the interface that is shown to you. Now you just have to look in the top right corner. There is order and account section, and a pop-up box appears when you hover around it, and you just have to scroll down and choose your profile option. Just click on that and your profile will be opened, and right next to your name there is an edit option. You can just click on that option, and here is your username. You can just delete the username and you can add a new username, and you can just click on the save button that is on the bottom, and your new username will be added. Or this is the way how you can change your username in Temu. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.